We have the new 2020 GMC AT4 HD Duramax. We installed the roll and lock heavy duty retractable truck bed cover. This looks really nice. You have full access to your stake pocket holes. You can go out to your truck. When your tailgate's locked, it's secure. You push it open and it gives you that instant access to your bed. It has a compact canister. It has drain tubes in the back. You can then pull the strap here to open it. So you pull it and it locks in increments on the bed. So it locks right here. Each time you pull it, it's locked on the rail. Pull it again, it locks. So you can have partial bed access. Pull it again, locks right here. And then this cover has the ability to lock on the side. So when you close it and you lock it, it's secure. It has a really nice look to it. And this is the roll and lock retractable bed cover on the 2020 GMC.